Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kavan MIBO dual racing charger and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where it seems like this charger is not working, it's not charging, it's not following the protocols that you have set for it, the settings and stuff like that is not working, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, you're going to need to set it up again because all of the values will be restored to their coming out of the box values. But that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get a fresh start for whatever reason and you want everything restored to the values that it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that, and it's actually really easy to do. So all we need to do is first of all access the system settings menu, and we do that just by pushing and holding, doing a long press on this roller wheel, and when you do that it will pop up the systems menu, and then from there we can just scroll all the way down, almost all the way down until we see it'll say factory reset, and then we can just hit the wheel again to choose it, and all of the factory default values will be restored.